Positioning and body structure is always the key to your basics. Check all the main details of your Seiza, the sitting position. Geometry of movement is also critical in gaining space awareness and ability to meet challenge from any direction possible, even when you are in a transitional state, when rising or taking a seat. Consider the SAA concept of Seiza positioning and the mechanics of transitions, up and down. Turn to half standing first and then rise with the foot adjustment. Make sure you step solid with your foot on the ground for your mobility and practice safety reasons. The angles must be right. Your posture must be firm. You are rising to the right. It is symbolic. And symbolism in the Aikido practice has critical importance. It keeps you aware why you are in the practice, what your goals are, and what you are seeking for. Aikido is about self-improvement. Right is what you're aiming for. It's your ideal. And your left catches up. Increasing your self-awareness, sensitivity, and expanding your perception.